Everyone, welcome to Uecoffeeroasters headquarters. Today's video we're gonna do Hullabaloo Espresso Martini. Hullabaloo Christmas blend is Mexico Women's Cooperative and India. So from Mexico we get the chocolate and the sweetness, and from India we get like a really heavy body and the spiciness. So let's get started. For today's Espresso Martini we're gonna add 50 ml of Nocino. This liqueur is coming from our friends in Oxford Artisan Distillery. It's a vodka rye infused with the local walnuts, and it brings like a really delicious taste for this espresso martini. So we're gonna add 20 ml of any coffee liqueur of your choice. And we're gonna add like 15 ml of sugar, and of course 40 ml of our Hullabaloo Christmas blend, brewed through the espresso machine. So once we have everything, we add fresh ice from the freezer. And double strain in a martini glass previously frozen. And there we have our Hullabaloo Espresso Martini. Enjoy. Tastes delicious.